welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica, and today I have a brand new panning project for you. This is a PANtastic Ladies collab. I'm going to get the information off of my spreadsheet right here. You're probably going to hear my crazy kids in the background because, you know, my kids are crazy. Okay, this is called the Panning Club, and this is a play off the movie of The Breakfast Club, which is one of my favorite 80s movies. Loved it, loved it, loved it. I used to watch this all the time, and I was so excited when Charlotte approached us and said that she wanted to do a project based on this movie, and she came up with some categories, and I'm so excited to be doing this. I am. All right, this is 5 products for the 5 main characters. This starts June 1st and goes all the way to November 1st, and of course I'm reading it down here. This is a rolling project, which why do I participate in rolling projects? I got so much going on already. Sounds like my kids are running back here, but they're not. All right, so this is what I'm going to start with. I'm a little nervous about this one, but I couldn't pass this one up. Starting off with the brain, and that is a smart product or something that you can multitask, multi-purpose, and I have chosen the Brooklyn Botany Tea Tree Oil. I use the heck out of this stuff. It is a multi-purpose product for me. I use it on my face. I put it in my foundation. I put it in my moisturizer at night. I even sometimes put it in my shampoo when my head's a little itchy. This is a fantastic multi-purpose product for me. So that is, oh, I got to show you how, like where I am on here. Brain. This is where I am starting with this green line. I know it's not a ton in here, but it only takes a couple of drops, so that product takes a while. I've been working on this for like 2 years. And there goes my daughter again. All right, the next one is an athlete, and that is a product for your fast-paced days or going to the gym. So it can be something like a spritz, you know, sunscreen, setting spray, that kind of stuff. So I decided to go with the setting spray. This is the Ulta Beauty Matte Makeup Setting Spray. It is brand spanking new. That's why it doesn't have any lines anywhere. I will not start on this one until my other one is done, which it's close, so it won't take too awful long. The next one is the basket case, and this is a product that is crazy or out of your comfort zone. Y'all know my comfort zone, especially with eyeshadow, is pretty daggone big. But there's a couple of colors that really aren't in my comfort zone, which is odd because I'm actually wearing one on my body. I just don't like it on my eyes. Silvers, grays, blues, I don't know what it is about them. I don't like them. I don't feel comfortable in them. So I picked this dark gray silver eyeshadow, brand new from the Sephora Colorista palette. And I apologize for my daughter screaming like that. But this is completely out of my comfort zone. And I don't know. Hopefully in 5 months I can finish that one. Let's hope. All right, moving on. Hey, buddy.
You're watching a movie.
I'll be out in a minute.
Okay.
Shh, Mommy's filming, okay?
Sorry.
Do you want to say hi?
Hi.
Up there, can you say?
Hi.
All right. Mommy finish. Love you, kiddo. All right, moving on to the princess. Yeah. That is a pretty or sparkly product. So I went with this Happily 3D nail art stuff. It is like a pink rhinestone kind of deal. So that is my princess product because, you know, it's pink and sparkly. Just what a princess should be. And the last one is the Criminal, and that is a product that makes you feel badass. And I don't like to say that around my kids. Yes, I know, I'm silly, but I don't like my kids to hear that. So the product that makes me feel bad is any kind of good fragrance. I'm all about fragrance. It totally sets my mood for everything. I'm always a fragrance girl. So I just picked one that I had. This is the Tommy Hilfiger Tommy Girl. It is just a sample. Since this is a rolling project, I want to be able to have some stuff that I can actually roll through. So that is my 5 products for the intro. And I am going to have everyone that has joined in down in my description box, of course. And I hope you go check them out. If you are interested in joining this project or any of the other PANtastic Ladies projects, words, Jessica. I'm going to have the link all the way down in my social media. It's like way down at the bottom of my description box. So just click on show more and it will take you all the way down there. That is everything. So I'm going to wrap this up. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you in my next video, have a beautiful day.